everybody, so I am back to share 2 more embellishment boxes with you guys. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. This is a tropical theme and I am loving these boxes that I got from the 99-cent only store. I made this embellishment, which is a rosette, and then I just decorated the front, and it is on a gold paper clip, and I used the removable glue dot on the back, so this can be taken off and used as well. And then also I put a mirrored palm tree right here, and it has a hang thing, and that can also be taken off. And what I did was I took this cute card that I need to write in, and I just kind of slid that right there on the front, so that is exactly how they will get their gift. And so once you open it, now what I found with these boxes from the 99-cent only store was this is, let me show you what it looks like when you first get it. So this is what the box looks like originally. What I like about this box that I didn't even know when I purchased it is that these can be taken out. These little slides can be taken out, and you can shape the size of the box that you want, which is what I did in this one. As you can see, I left the middle piece long, and then I separated this one. I took this piece out right here, and then I just kind of shaped it how I wanted to. So if it looks a little different, that's what it was. I just took these slates out and created the sizes that I wanted. This is a really nice box. It has the glitter on it, if you can see that. It's really sparkly. And these came from the 99-cent only store. Okay, so now getting into this box, what I did was I took a cute little gold envelope. First I put this sheet of paper back here, so when you look at it from the front, it looks really tropical, like right here. And that's just, you know, double-sided paper. Then I put a dot, the glue dot on there, and I just filled it with a bunch of goodies. Here's some pineapples, mirrored pineapples. There's a flamingo sticking out, as you can see. If I can get this back in there. I'm not going to pull everything out, but it's a lot of tropical goodies in here. And I said I wasn't going to pull it out, and I pulled it out. There's some leaves. Here's a thing that I made that can be used as a sticker. Some more leaves. And yeah, so also this turtle can be taken off as well. And also the turtle can be taken off as well and used if they want to use that. So getting into the box, in here I put a stamp that says totally cool. There's one right here, a cute little avocado. Then I just added a bunch of things in here. Here is a paper clip with pineapples on it. There's some different kinds of things that can be used. Some more leaves, some tags. What else is in here? Here's some flamingos. There's some pineapples. Just a bunch of goodies. Anything that I had that was tropical related. I also put some of these down in here, which I really love. These gold pineapples. One is more like glittery and one is more like metallic. So they can be used or glued on whatever they want to use them on. I swear the hardest part about doing these boxes is taking it out, as I see, taking it out, showing you guys, and then putting everything back how you wanted it. So maybe in the future I'll just have to make them on camera so you'll see what I'm putting in there. So then down here I put some pineapple push pins. There's different colors, pink and orange. Sorry if the light is too bright. Then I just put a bunch of paper clips down here. In this one right here, a bunch of paper clips. I put some those little containers from Dollar Tree, and I just added some embellishments in there. Here's a bunch of washi tape samples that are here, and then I also put the little slides, the pieces that I took out, like in there. They can put these back in there if they like. When they're done using the box, I just added those back in there, and then I wrapped some washi around the other ones. Then I put some tape in here. Those are the cute little pineapples. This one has the pineapples and watermelon on it. So that's in there. Here is some pineapple erasers, some enamel dots, and some other goodies, some flowers. In here I put some of the cute little embellishments, the pineapples, lemons, watermelon stickers. I added this one. This one is so cute. It reminds me of like when you're on vacation and you want to take pictures. It's a camera, a glitter camera. And then down here I just put a bunch of glitter packets, different color glitter packets, and some stickers. So that is everything that is inside of my tropical box that I am loving. Okay, so now that I got my card back on the front, and also with this box I will be including these brads, and these are tropical inspired brads that'll be sent with that, as well as this cute little flamingo zipper pouch that I'll be adding with that one. And actually that is it for this one. I really like the tropical one a lot. I like this box. Even though I like the Dollar Tree boxes, I really do like that box. So now I'm going to jump into the last box that I made, which is coffee themed. And it looks like this. Let me move my stuff over. This one is kind of one of my favorites. So as you can see, I put this washi tape up the front. And it looks like Starbucks, different coffees. It says love coffee. And then I put some little brown hearts, some gold strip that I glued down right here, and a heart right here. So when you open it, all you see is everything that has to do with like coffee related. So you have some coffee stickers right here, different ones in here. I put some really pretty gold, my favorite gold paper clips down in there. Here is some of the gold heart border that they can use. Then over here is some donuts and coffee. Then I added this cute little charm that is a coffee cup with a little diamond-like thing in the middle. That's like a charm that can be used on whatever. So that's in there. Then there's some gold hearts. Gold and pink puffy hearts in there with some other little embellishment with some gold on it. Then there's this little finger that's pointing. I like that. I don't know why I do. Then I put these little embellishments over here, and there's a bunch down in there. I'm just not going to pull them all out, but it's some donuts. It's some donuts that can be used. Really cute. And then I also added some jewels, or you know, little flat back kind of jewels that can be used. Here's a bow that can be used as a clip for their projects or whatever they want to use it for. Here's these really pretty like gold and black striped sequins. Some coffee washi tape. There's that black and gold. This one has coffee cups on it. Cups with a saucer. And then this one in here I put like a tag, a donut tag with some strip of pearl like embellishments. There's a donut with some bows. And then back here is just a bunch of stickers and stuff like that. That one says daily grind. Here's a milk coffee. This one says but first coffee. And just a bunch of goodies that I stuck in there. And then over here as well, some like jewels and stuff like that. And then in this one I put a stamp, which is a donut, and then one of a coffee. And these are wooden stamps that look like that. So, and they're brand new. So I did that, and that I think is kind of like one of my favorite ones that I have made. So also on the outside I just put this little coffee theme around the side, on both sides. And it looks like that. Enjoy little things, the little things, and then that. So this one is one of my favorites. And then to go with this one, I will be sending this vanilla latte flavored lip balm. These But First coffee socks that I got from the 99 cent only store. That. They will also get this coffee little bag and a Starbucks gift card that I put inside of there. And then this little espresso yourself notebook. And it's just some blank paper. So all of that is going to that person. So that is it for my coffee themed and my tropical type of a theme. I have enjoyed making these. I hope whoever I send these to really enjoy them as much as I did, as far as putting the stuff in here and creating these. These are so fun to make. I guess I need to get on Facebook and be part of a community to swap these, but at this time I'm not really looking to do any swaps. If anybody, in case anybody is looking, I'm really trying to clear out like a lot of my stuff. So it's easier for me to make these and send them out than to receive more, because when I receive them, then I'm just adding more stuff into my stash, whereas I'm trying to clean it out. Oh yeah, I forgot. With the coffee, the other person will also be getting this bag. And it says Best Friends Forever. And it's just a cute little coffee bag that I had picked up at... Where did I get this? I showed it on Instagram. Oh, Office Depot. At Office Depot, and it was only 99 cents. I forgot. That's going to that person as well. So, like I was saying, I'm just not looking to really swap. I'm just sending these out. And I just hope that they enjoy them, and that's it. So when I do start swapping, I will make an announcement, and if anybody is interested at that time, then we can make arrangements for that. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my embellishment boxes, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.